Hey, partner.
What are we doing?
So, wondering if you could hold this guy's bike for him so we can get him up to the hospital. He don't want to leave his bike.
Okay.
We're gonna see if
Is he okay?
He seems like he's okay.
Assuming that's the driver of the truck.
Yeah.
Where did he get hit?
Not even sure. They both kind of give him conflicting details.
Okay. Hey, sir, how you doing?
I'm pretty good. So,
Good, good. Is your vehicle?
yes, sir, it is.
Okay, what happened to him today?
I just coming down through it after I was going to Rick's Cafe for some coffee with the guys this morning.
Okay.
And I don't know if I just about to South Avenue or just past, but it was right at South Avenue.
Okay.
I just heard a clip on the truck. Didn't sound like much, but I went ahead and stopped anyway to see what it was.
Mm-hmm.
Here, this guy is up here looking back to see if I stopped, and I guess when I pulled over, he walked back here. And then I called you guys.
Okay.
I just didn't know.
Did you
can
not see
my
him?
truck. No, I didn't see no lights or nothing. He was going that way. He says he was going this way, but he wasn't. He was still going that way when he come back this way.
Okay.
He turned around to come back.
Okay. Which side of the road were you on,
I
sir?
was on this side of the road, so I was headed to town.
Headed to town.
Yeah.
Okay. Was there a reason why you were walking back that way when he
I wasn't
pulled back?
walking back that way, sir. I was riding my bicycle down the road on the side of the edge of the grass, and he come over and hit me.
Okay. Where did he hit you? Where did
Down
he?
the side of my whole shoulder right here.
Where exactly?
All down through there. All down.
All.
That mirror, that big old mirror is what got me.
Okay.
He was all the way over here in the bicycle lane.
Okay. All right.
Did you get knocked off the bike?
No.
So are you going to the hospital,
knocked
sir?
me forward.
Are you going to
Yes,
the
sir, I'm
hospital?
going to go to the hospital.
Okay. All right.
But I want my bike there. I got to have a way to get back home whenever I get out of there.
Okay. So you need to transport it back to the hospital. Your bike?
However y'all got to do it. Or whatever.
I can do that.
I'll ride it. It don't matter.
Okay. All right. Okay.
All right, sir. Let's get you on the stretcher, and then we'll take care of your bike. Let's sit back.
Redmond, you gonna bring him his bike?
I will bring him his bike.
I appreciate you. He appreciates you too. Thank you very much, sir.
Absolutely. Absolutely.
What's up?
What's going on?
You know?
I think I can get it. Once you feel enticed to do a crash report.
Fuck it. I'm like 4 something.
Oh, that's it? Oh.
Yeah.
Oh, 165, 420. Yankee 10, Golf, November, Juliet. We're in a white pickup.
For District 2 Carlisle. Valid for tonight.
I guess it could have been the mirror or something. I just heard
Never.
something. I didn't even,
Well, yeah, it was pushed back, so, I mean,
it might have been.
said he hit him in his left shoulder. It kind of makes sense with him walking that way. So,
Back was headed that way when he turned around. I looked back down there, and he'd look around to see if I stopped. And I seen him turn.
okay. So then you stop,
Best I
turn
could.
back,
I
you turn
was
back
down here,
around?
and he was down there.
Okay. Where was he at?
He's up here by C Avenue, just past.
C Avenue? Okay.
This guy's being a dick about his ID. So
Oh.
I asked him if he had any ID. He said no, I ain't got no identification.
Do you have your ID on you?
No, sir. I don't have a
Okay. What's your first name?
Hello, hi guys.
Like that, he called you no sir.
Go down slow.
Sir.
He's getting the name real quick.
What's your first name? Middle name? G. Yeah, I got you. What's your date of birth, sir? Okay. Probably 120 people named it.
Go ahead.
He may be in house.
Thank y'all.
Thank you.
Guess I gotta be more stern with these guys out here. Guess I gotta be more stern with these guys out here. My man was talking to me like I'm a piece of shit.
What
I
did-
got no ID.
We'll just
He
treat
said, he was like this, you.
him normal.
He was like
treat him
this.
normal.
I did treat him wrong. So you got your ID? Why? Why do I need an ID? The flash report. His identification. I ain't got one. He came up, he's like, alright, sir. Oh, sir, I don't. Okay, I got you. Now, I got you. No, you don't want to crash before it. You don't get a crash before it. He's like, you know?
Are you the registered owner of the vehicle, sir? Are you the registered owner of the vehicle?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
It's mine.
Probably 120 if you're on the registered owner of the truck.
He's got a little light on the bike.
He does.
Where's my FTO?
He's directing traffic. It was by my car.
Oh, he's over there.
He's
Number
over
Bravo
there.
1.
Go ahead.
Parallel 1054 29 Valley
26 now.
Bravo 1, bro.
Good.
Close 5429. Got a EDI status only, valid flash burners, or no, sorry, fire flash burners.
26, thank you. Send me a case number.
Case number is
Move your truck up. Move your truck up.
I gotta get it off the road and get this bike.
Oh, you got a motor on there.
Does he have a valid license?
No, he doesn't.
Having that motor on there, he has a valid license.
Depends on the horsepower.
Alright, we're gonna make it our cameras now.
Shit 3 to 471. Is that subject down there at trauma alert? I don't believe so. They just transported by ground. We'll get in the 215 clear.
Bravo 1 Sierra 3, negative. He didn't even have a mark.
New person. Alright, typically.
All right, sir. Unfortunately,
Yes,
based on the situation and stuff, you are supposed to give them at least 5 foot right away for bikes.
I'll get riding down the road, though.
I understand that. I understand. That being said, I have to cite you. So
Yeah.
luckily he's not
Understand that.
injured. He didn't even have a mark on his shoulder, like he said. But
We walked down there
But-
trying to it when I called you guys.
I understand. I understand. I got you. So give me a
I
few
didn't want to
minutes.
hurt you.
I know.
I didn't know it was anybody behind.
Yeah,
I just heard something.
Yeah. All right, well, give me a few minutes. I get some paper. Absolutely. That's all right. That's all right. Now I got a driver's exchange form, and that's just pretty much for since you were the one with the vehicle, it's pretty much just for you knowing who that person is.
Yes, sir.
So it's got his name on there. I still have to verify if that's his current address. I don't know. I don't know if he's transient or not. So
I tell you, he didn't have no headlight or anything. He turned that headlight on down here. I never seen him. I didn't know what it was. That's why I just heard the noise.
and I believe you.
I pulled over just to see.
Yeah.
That's why I seen him turn.
Yeah.
At least it looked like he was turning.
Yeah. Well, and this is the business end, and I'm.
Okay.
Now that's a citation for careless, and that covers a wide range of different
you're
things.
fine,
So
yeah.
it's
I understand.
that part is $164. We don't set the fines. That's through the state.
That's your fault.
That is, yeah.
Don't get no kickback.
That's paid in Dade City Courthouse.
I'll take
You have 30 days to pay it or make arrangements to pay it. It is a moving violation, so there's 3 points assessed to your driver's license. However, you can get the points off your license by doing an online course. That's what I had my son do.
Yeah, and that's right. I'll probably do the same thing. I got commercial insurance.
So, that being said, are there any questions from me?
No, I don't think so. I'll take care of it.
Okay, I gotta load that thing up and take it to the hospital for him. So,
Yeah, I don't want to be out without transportation. I think I would have seen that blinking red light on there. I had guys
Yeah.
behind me too, and they didn't stop. So,
yeah,
shit happens. I get a lot of use.
yeah. What kind of business do you do?
I'm an electrical contractor.
Okay. Okay.
Actually, I was heading out early this morning.
And right now you're like, why did I leave early? Man. Yeah. Well, all right, sir. You have a better day. Hope you have a good weekend.
It'll be okay.
Yeah.
I saw somebody out there trying to throw a wrench in his boat. You know, it's,
What's funny is it didn't do any damage at all.
nah.
And
No, I'm looking for it, you know, because I
Yeah.
heard something, you know, I didn't know what it was.
yeah, it
Like
didn't.
you said, it could have been that mirror. It just,
Well, that's what it was. The mirror, because the mirror was cocked out a little bit.
yeah, so that's probably what it was. I just washed it yesterday, and it would have been straight.
Yeah. All right, sir.
Well, thank you.
You have a
brother.
good day.
You too.
All right.
Have a good day.
Thank you. Yeah, you too.